Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Greening World Graphics YouTube. If this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to hit that subscription button. Today I will be guiding you on how to download and install fonts on Pixel Lab and on your mobile apps. This is totally free, and I'm assuring you that not just Pixel Lab, even your other mobile apps, you can just install this same procedure. Okay, let's get there. Open your Google app, click on Google, and then search for downfont.com. Most of you are already familiar with this particular website, so downfont.com, just search for it. Then the first website that is going to come out, just click on it, and it will take you to this place. Then now, don't get confused. These are lots of crazy different ideas of font that you can download on this particular website, but we are going for, know what we are looking for. We are going for a sans serif font at this point. So guys, you will be having under the basic, you will be having sans serif, serif, fixed width, and various. Then we click on sans serif. It will load. Then we go through them and we see the fonts that we have under sans serif font. Then we can download as many as we want. Now I want to download Go Bold. This is a font that I recently saw on this website, and it is a very good font for us under some circumstances. Then I click on that download, and it's already downloading. Then click on download, and we wait for it a little. Then it's going, and you can look for more fonts to download, like Stretch. Click on download, and even this. Then you can take your time to download as many fonts as you want. This is totally free website for downloading fonts. And then we have to open the Go Bold. Now to open it, you must have this particular app on your mobile phone. If you don't have it, please go to Google Play Store and download this particular app here. You can see it is in your Google Play Store as smartphone users. So you go to Google Play Store and download it for yourself. Okay, guys, let's get back to what we are doing before. Then we click on Go Bold again to open it. Open with Z Archiver. Now, this is where it is. First thing we need to do is to click on this, then click on Extract. Now, we need to create a folder where we need to extract this file to, in order not to complicate what we are doing. So we click on this plus icon you see at the top of your screen here. Click on it, and create new folder. You name the folder Go Bold. Go Bold. Okay, done. Click on OK. This is your folder, Go Bold folder. Then you need to click on this to place your extracted file in this folder. Then we click on it and click OK. Now here we have it. The next thing we need to do is to click on this extracted file and click on compress and click OK. Now we have both the extracted file and the compressed file in this folder. The next step to take is to click on the extracted and the extracted file and click and click on view. Click on it again and click on open. Guys, this is where we are. We want to open it with Pixel Lab, like I told you earlier, that you can open it with your any kind of mobile app, and then you will see the font working fine and well in those apps. So now we want to open it with Pixel Lab. Then we click on Pixel Lab and click once, and then here we are. You click OK. Guys, we go to our font or our text tool on Pixellab and then go to font. Because we have already opened it with this particular app Pixellab, then we can go and search for, go to download and sorry guys, then we see Go Bold folder. Then we click on Go Bold folder and click on the app and add to directory. Now we have our Go Bold font on our Pixellab. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn your notification on to get updated anytime we drop a new video. I hope this video is helpful, and here we have our Go Bold fonts here. So we can go ahead to do other things like adding color, changing the color and every other thing. Guys, if this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow us up. Our videos are always helpful for all beginners and all designers. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share, like and comment.